Good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb year 2012 government past question. Question number 15. Government question number 15 says delegated legislation is made by bodies other than the dash. Delegated legislation is made by bodies other than the dash. Now, when we talk of delegated legislation, means the process of delegating powers or functions to subordinate bodies to act on behalf of the. So option A say president, B say governor, C say parliament, D say judiciary. Delegated legislation is made by bodies than the parliament. So it is than the parliament because the parliament is known as the National Assembly. The National Assembly in Nigeria. National Assembly. So the National Assembly can assign functions to a certain governmental institution in the state or in the country. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.